moving together. Do you see them?
Not a vegetable in sight.
Oh, they're looking for Tammy, Crisp, and Cuke. They are on the other side building a telescope together.
The water droplet should fit this hole, but instead, the hole fits me.
Whoa.
It's too big.
Well, let's try it anyway. Then we'll know for sure.
Wait, I hear talking. Listen!
Hold it. Let's turn it this way.
I'm trying, but it's too... Over this way a little. Oops. Careful. How do we get it to stay up?
I will hold it up.
Crisp, you can't hold it forever. It needs a stand.
Well, that didn't work. Whoa.
Yay!
Let's try building another one. What can we do to make it better this time? You're like us.
We are. I'm Beatrice.
And I'm Sunny.
There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of us now.
5, 5, count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
What is this? Are you building something?
We're trying to build a telescope.
This one had some problems.
Ooh, a challenge. We can fix it. It needs a stand.
Oh, we could use 3 stems to make the stand. 1, 2, 3 stems.
And we need a smaller leaf.
So the telescope needs to be smaller and it needs a stand.
Okay, I'll do a new drawing with the changes.
That's okay.
Smaller leaf, check. Now we need the stand.
We can use these 3 stems for the stand.
Let's get 2 extra stems in case any break. So now we have these 3 stems plus 2 more stems. That's 5 stems in all.
Now we need to roll it tight so it's strong.
Let's roll it 5 times then. That should make it real tight. Here goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Using their teamwork and quick thinking, our veggie friends found a way to use things in the garden to build a telescope.
Our telescope is ready.
Now this looks like it will fit the water droplet. It's awesome. Let's test it.
Me first. It's a little blurry. But I can see a green bug way over there, on that flower.
My turn.
It's not perfect, but we can use it for now.
I see.
What is it?
It's Trouble the Goat. And it's heading this way.
We need to hide.
Follow me.
It's Trouble the Goat.
In here.
We did it! Wait, how does the goat keep getting into the garden?
And where does it always go?
We'll have to figure it out. We can't keep hiding like this.
So you're saying this has happened before?
But there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of us now, and 1 of him.
That's right. We're not just any vegetables.
I'm the science expert.
Technology, that's me.
Engineering is my thing.
I am super good at art.
I'm good at math.
Science, technology, engineering, art, and math.
Hey, that's STEAM. It's an acronym.
STEAM, get it? STEAM! Get it? STEAM Voyagers!
Let's go! STEAM Voyagers! Hooray!
Living in a world where the possibilities are endless. Curiosity guiding us. We're fearless. With every step we take, we're learning something new. STEAM Voyagers.
I love this acronym. STEAM, STEAM, STEAM! Like water rising like air when puddles get warmed by the sun. Ah, STEAM!